Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us to watch this video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about the format method. Is one of the methods that you can use on string data types. Okay, now one of the things I'm worried about is that you'll see that we use 2 or 3 or 4 different types of methods with these strings so far. But I want to give you an idea for just exactly how many methods there are that are associated with the string data type. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, let's start off with capitalize. Case fold, center, count, encode. You start, format underscore map. I wonder what that does. Index, okay? And each one of these guys has its own rules for how you use it, okay? And has different ways of outputting the data. Do you see how that just goes on and on and on? Let's see. Let's see if we can run into some that we've been using so far. Let's see. Anyway, you get the idea. All right, is that there's all kinds of different methods, but because format is the most common, it gets its own video. All right, and with that, let's go ahead and start reading the manual.
Python Training Video 42. The string format method. Basic usage of the str format method looks like this. Print, we are.
All right, we've seen this before. Dun, dun, dun. Now let's go for it.
The brackets and characters within them, called format fields, are replaced with the objects passed into the str format method. A number in the brackets can be used to refer to the position of the object passed into the str format method.
All right. Now, the nice thing about these videos is you can always stop and rewind if something went a little bit too fast for you. All right. Now, all these examples that go with this description, they're all in the example code that I've already created, and we're going to go and run that next so you can see that this stuff actually works. Okay? With that, let's continue.
If keyword arguments are used in the str format method, their values are referred to by using the name of the argument.
All right, very interesting. Is there anything more? All right, just take a quick look at that. Yet more options?
Positional and keyword arguments can be arbitrarily combined. Print the story of 0, 1, and.
Well, as you can see, it just gets, I mean, you can pretty much do whatever you want. But you have to know what the options are, so you know what you can and can't do.
If you have a really long format string that you don't want to split up, it would be nice if you could reference the variables to be formatted by name instead of by position. This can be done by simply passing the dict and using square brackets to access the keys.
Oh, look, this is how you print a list, or whatever the thing is called. All right, and then let's go with the last little bit.
This could also be done by passing the table as keyword arguments with the *** notation.
All right. So there you go. We're done with the reading. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the code. And here we are in the code. Take a good look at this. There's a lot of examples in this particular lesson or video, so I didn't jazz it up too much. I'm just printing the output and so that you can see what the output looks like. And you'll notice by looking back at the manual that it fits. And you all should have hard copies of these of the manual code to reference. All right. Anyway, with that, let's go ahead and run the code and have a look at the output. And here's the output. And if you refer back to the manual, you'll see that it's come out just exactly like it was supposed to. And you can also look at the code. Hopefully you're copying the code down. Matter of fact, I think you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make the code available too, so that you don't have to go and type all this stuff in. Anyway, that'll do it for today's video, and hopefully we'll get into some more interesting stuff, because this formatting thing is just boring. Like, come on, let's get to something fun. Let's move some ones and zeros here. Anyway, see y'all in the next video.